Dear friends, once again welcome to WordPress tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to make a menu for your WordPress website. To create a menu, go to Customize. From the left panel, click on Menus. Click this top menu. You can see this is your top nav menu and it is similar to this. Now we will delete this menu and create a new one. To create a new menu, all you have to do, just click this Create New Menu button. After that, put your menu name. Like this will be, we can call it main menu or top menu, anything like this. Now select where you want to show your menu. It's totally depend on your theme, the theme you are using. The theme I am using right now, it's only support two menu. I mean primary menu, that will be show here, and footer menu, it will be show in the footer area. So let's create a main menu, primary menu. Now click on next. Now it's time to add some items on your menu. Click this plus icon, add items. Here you will find every pages, post, category tags are having for your site. Now you can see I have so many pages like home, our service, sample page, blog, contact, services, about, etc. If you want to make sure this is page or not, you can go to dashboard, click this page and all pages. You can see this is your page. So let's add some of this page to your menu. Go to your customize home menu. Now suppose we want to add home, then our services, blog, contact, about, this is enough. If you want to add some categories, then you can click this and you can add this WordPress category. Similarly, you can add tags, post, or any custom link. Suppose you want to create a new page. If you don't have page that you desire to add on your menu, instantly you can create that page. Suppose we want to create a page named gallery. If you click on add items, this page will be created automatically. It will add to your menu. After doing all of this, click on publish. Let's make sure our gallery page created or not. Go to dashboard, refresh your all pages. You can see gallery page is created for you. Now go to our site. We have deleted our previous menu and our new menu has created. Now what if you want to create a drop down menu? I mean menu and sub menus. Let's go here and suppose about, contact, gallery under our services. Let's drag it to our services here, about here, gallery here. If you move slight right, I mean from here to here, then it will count under our services. You can see our services because we drag it slight right. If we remove it from here, you can see it's removed from here. You can see live and work here. So let's create it slight right and make it under our services. Now click on publish. I'm just showing you how to create a menu. If you want to design your menu, like change your background, foreground color, menu hovering color, I'll show you this process in a next video. So guys, today up to this, don't forget to stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.